I'll show you how to schedule posts, reels, and stories. Plus, we'll use a free tool with the features that actually matter when posting on Facebook. Click the first link in the description. This is going to open up Viraly. Now, the good thing about Viraly is there's a completely free version. Go ahead and add a username and password. No credit card is required. Awesome. So this pulled up the Viraly homepage. Now, what's really cool is on the left side, you can see all of our different connected social media accounts. So you can see I have Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram connected for myself, but I also manage some other Instagrams, and you can connect those here. Now, of course, we want to schedule a Facebook post. So if you select Facebook, you can see on the right side, here are all my different scheduled social media posts from Monday and Thursday. But let's go ahead and schedule social media posts together so you can see how easy it can be. So go ahead and select that create post button on the left side. Fantastic. So at the top, you'll see Facebook is already selected. You have the option to go ahead and post on multiple platforms at the same time just by selecting Instagram or TikTok, for instance. For this video, let's toggle them off. We're just going to post on Facebook, but that option is available if you choose to do so. Now, underneath, we have to choose whether we want to post a Facebook post, a reel, or a story. So we're going to go ahead and upload a reel because reels are the most popular form of social media on Facebook. So let's go ahead and select that one here. Now you'll see on the left side, you have the option to add your video. So let's go ahead and select that. Here's some videos I already had saved on my computer. So let's select this one showing off the new Nintendo Switch. Now, what's really cool is on the right side, you can actually go ahead and watch the video. So here's the video here. Now you'll see I purposely left this in. I looked to the left side at the end of the video. Viraly has a built-in editing function. What you can do is just go ahead and select the pencil. And let's say I wanted to trim that part out. You can go to trim on the top left side, drag that part to the left, and then select save changes. There's some other features in here. We're not going to go through each one, but you can edit that type of stuff out in the platform itself, which is really cool. Now, of course, we have to add a caption for our video. So let's go ahead and put, is the Nintendo Switch 2 worth it? And then we want an emoji to grab their attention. So let's select the emoji button here. Up top, let's put question, and then we'll grab this one. It seems very clickbaity, right? Now, personally, we didn't spend too much time on this caption. Your Facebook caption should be a little longer than your other forms of social media. So let's go ahead and select the AI generator. And then on the left side, you're going to be able to see all the different tones that you can modify your post for. So we have an excited tone. So let's go ahead and add excited here. And then we'll select rephrase for Facebook. And then you'll see this post is generated. Now, what's really cool is the AI assistant learned from how we posted in the past and mocked a post that was very similar to how we traditionally present our persona. So let's go ahead and insert this. On the right side, you'll see this is added. Now, the other thing that you definitely want to make sure that you're doing on any Facebook post is adding your first comment. So first comment is a new trend in social media. To get more engagement on your post, you can add a question in the first comment to encourage people to go there and interact. And that'll show the algorithm that more people are engaging with your content. So let's go ahead and take this question that the AI assistant naturally put at the bottom for what are you most looking forward to? Let's talk about it. We're going to copy that and let's just go ahead and drop it in our first comment. Now, of course, one of the most important things you can do to get more views on your post is adding hashtags to it. Now, personally, I use the same hashtags every time. So I'm going to go ahead and select this hashtag library here. And here I already saved all of my Facebook hashtags. So share your thoughts, comments below, and community driven. So let's go ahead and select that and select use hashtags. You can type these in, but I like to save them in here because sometimes you have a bunch of different hashtags that you might be using. Now, personally, when you post in the Facebook app, you have options to all these other features that you should be using, like locations, collaborators, adding your own cover photo. And sometimes in these third-party apps, you lose that functionality, but you can see that these are available right here, which is really nice. So what we can do to add a location is simply just select the button. Here, we're based out of Salt Lake City. So let's go ahead and put Salt Lake City here. You'll see all the different options come up, and let's select just the generic one. Now, underneath, a collaborator is someone who worked with you on the post. So obviously, Nintendo Switch didn't work with us. I doubt they accept that, but let's go ahead and put Nintendo Switch here. And then if they go ahead and accept it on their side on the Facebook app, this will show up on your profile and on the Nintendo Switch's profile. Now, one of the most important things that you can do is add a cover photo. So you have two options. One is you could select it from a specific part of the video and just make that your thumbnail. The other option is you can upload your own image and have that be your cover image. Now, personally, I don't have one. So let's go ahead and say select from video and use this one that says switch to. That looks pretty good. And let's go ahead and save it. Now, of course, we want to go through and actually schedule our social media posts. So to do that, go ahead and select the date and time button here. And while you're doing that, if you're finding value out of this video so far, please like and consider subscribing subscribing. It really enables me to make more videos like this one in the future, and I would much appreciate it. So let's go ahead and choose the date for Friday the 3rd. And then for time, let's do 7:15 a.m. Now, what's really cool is you can go ahead and just select schedule post here. Or if you'd like, you have a couple different options where you can post it right now. You can save it as a draft, or you can do request approval. So let's say you're managing a client's social media, or you have a boss who wants to sign off on your post. You can have an approval workflow that anytime you have something scheduled, it automatically goes to them to approve before it goes and it's posted online. For us, let's go ahead and schedule that post. So fantastic. So on the right side, you're going to see that this was added for Friday. Now it's important to me that you know what this actually looks like when it's posted on Facebook. So what we're going to do is actually force this one through by selecting it and selecting publish now. And while that goes through and post, I'm going to show you my favorite feature, which is the recycling feature. So personally, my most trended video is how to make a digital business card. And I want this video to stay trending. So I want it to post every single month to advertise this video. So what you can do is once you have the video uploaded, you can go through and add your caption. So let's go ahead and select that here. But what you can do is in the recycling button, you can select this and you can choose how frequently do you want this post to go out. So I'm going to select this button here and say that I want this post to come out every 30 days. And then you can choose how long you want this to come out for. So I'm going to do it for the whole year. And now here's automatically every single time that this post is going to be sent out. And then we'll publish this one so that you can see what that looks like. And then finally, the stories, how the stories work is you can still upload an attachment. When that's added, you don't have the option to do collaborators, locations. You don't have the option to do any of that even in Facebook, but you can go ahead and add a description for your video. Same thing, you can add hashtags here. And let's go ahead and schedule that post. And then lastly, let's force this one through. And this is what all three look like when they're actually posted on social media. So here is the Twitch one. The Twitch one shows our description underneath, the emojis pulled through well. And then on the right side, you can see our first comment saying, what feature are you most looking forward to, right? And then same thing, if you want to see the Facebook post, you can go ahead and select that here. Here's the caption that pulls through. What's really cool is it shortened the URL. So we have a thing that is more likely to be clicked on. And then lastly, the Facebook story. So here's our profile. We go ahead and select the story. And here's the thing saying that we're trying to do 100 videos in 100 days, which is really nice. Now, two really important things to mention. One is the pricing of the tool and what you get in the free version and the paid version. And the second thing is the analytics that actually help you grow your social media. So analytics, very simply put, this is the sole feature to actually have an impact on growing your social media. Here you can watch how it's trending over time. You can see helpful information on customer demographics, like which countries and cities are your viewers coming from. The other things is you can see which types of social media are best performing on your channel. And then lastly, two really cool features is one is, are you getting any benefit from Facebook ads? And two, how is every post doing individually on its own, which is really nice. Now for plans, there's three different types of plans. The first one is a free plan. So the free plan is free for life, which is really nice. That's the one that I initially signed up for. And here you can connect three different types of social media profiles and you can post 10 posts per month. Now the downside is you do get those features like analytics, first comment, thumbnail, but you can't add collaborators and you can't tag locations when posting on Facebook. If you want to add collaborators and location and you have more than 3 social profiles that you want to connect, the influencer plan is the one that is really nice. This one you can post 200 posts per month. So you can post essentially every single day, connect 5 different types of social media, and that's only $19 a month. I think that's why that's the most popular one. If you're a larger business and you're already actively posting on social media, I would go for the business plan. The business plan, you connect 15 profiles, but more importantly, you can post 500 posts a month. So if you're managing multiple different people's social media profiles, or you have multiple brands for your own business, this one is definitely one for small businesses. And then the fourth plan is the agency plan. Agency plan is the most expensive. It's $100 a month, but this one you can get unlimited posts and you can connect up to 50 different social media profiles. This is probably best for marketing agencies or super large marketing managers. Now, if you're interested in growing your Instagram as well as your Facebook, I would watch this Instagram tutorial right here where we post on multiple different Instagram accounts on the same time. And if you found value out of this video, I need your help with 3 different things. 1, like this video if you enjoyed it. 2, consider subscribing to stay up to date on all things AI, business, and tech. And 3, go watch that video on growing your Instagram. It's one of our most valuable videos on the channel, and I know it will help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.